Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys, okay, I wouldn't say it's me alone because obviously I'm going to be needing the help of my husband to kind of transform this living room from what it's looking like right now to what it will look like at the end of this video. So please do make sure you watch this video through to the end so you can see how it looks and how beautiful it looks like. I can't wait to show you guys. Now this carpet right here, just take a very good look at it. I'm going to be explaining why I'm taking it out of this living room, so keep watching. Before we start bringing in new stuffs in this living room and decorating it, we had to first of all dust, wipe, sweep and mop the floor. Now bear in mind, some things were not recorded in this video, like there are some clips that were not added in this video because I want to keep this video as simple and short as possible. I'm just showing you the important parts of this video. So I hope you understand what we are doing here. So my husband started off by sweeping the floor. Initially, I wanted to film my husband doing this all by himself, but you know, I'm the type of person that when I'm around someone that is cleaning or doing something else, I feel so guilty if I don't help out with that chore or with that work the person is doing. Like if you're my friend, I come to your house, I feel guilty when you are cleaning and I'm just sitting down chatting with you while you're cleaning. So I decided to join him to, you know, kind of help him out to do the ones I can be able to do, because as you can obviously see, I'm heavily pregnant, so these days I can't really do much. So I'm just doing the ones I can be able to do and let him do the rest. So here I'm just vacuuming the couch because we are going to be covering it up with a couch cover. So it's important that I vacuum it to kind of get rid of any crumbs that my kids must have littered inside the couch, if you get what I mean. So I wanted to get rid of those before we cover it with a couch cover. So after mopping the floor, we had to let it dry completely before we bring in our new rug. So it's also very important that you let the floor dry completely, because if you don't let it dry completely, the thing is that you might start perceiving foul smell from the rug, which is absolutely not right. When someone visits you, your rug will be smelling somehow. It's very, very bad. So make sure it dries out completely, like very dry, before you place in your new rug. Now this rug was gifted to us, and it was as if the person that gave us this rug knew my plans, like turning this living room into black and white living room. And when it came, I was so shocked and surprised. So yeah, I'm just looking at it, how like the settings. I'm just trying different settings to see how the chairs look, whether it looks more nice when it's far or when it's close to each other. But look at it now. I think I prefer, not I think, in fact I prefer this setting. Everything comes close. And then we brought the table in my kids' room to this living room. Now this one that I'm cleaning, it used to be in my boys' room, so I thought it would be more beautiful in this living room. I had to go and bring it over here, since they are not really making use of it in that room. Now that rug, like I said, it was gifted to us, and the reason I'm replacing it with our old one is that one I showed you earlier in this video. I loved that rug so much because the color fitted the color of my couch so well that I loved it, and I also love how soft that rug feels. But the only reason I'm taking it out of this living room is because of how it moves. Like, you know how kids can be when they are crawling, every time they are crawling on the floor, rolling on the floor, and the rug keeps shifting and moving here and there, and it annoys me so much. So that was why I had to replace it with this particular one. And this rug came just right in time. The person that gave it to us brought it right in time. Like, everything was just coming together as if it was all planned. So as you can see here, we are just covering the chair with the couch cover. I got this couch cover from AliExpress. It was very cheap, and the quality feels so good, so nice. It's very stretchy. Since my kids have decided to turn this chair into something else, I have also decided to show them that I know better than them. So I went on AliExpress and got this black couch cover. I prefer this black because, like I said earlier, I wanted this parlor to be a black and white theme. Even though everything is not really like that, but most of the things in this living room is black and white. So I love how it's all coming together. So here we are just moving the light and the shelf here and there to see how it fits. But trust me, we later moved it back to where it was before, because I wasn't feeling how it looks now. So this is the wall clock we are going to be fixing. Don't worry about how it's all scattered. We are going to be fixing it and putting everything together. I also bought that wall clock from AliExpress, and we are going to be taking down this wall frame and replacing it with the wall clock. As for now, the wall frame doesn't have any position in this living room anymore. Maybe we might probably figure out where to keep it later, but for now the wall frame doesn't have any specific position in this living room. So here we are trying to fix the wall clock. Like, guys, this was a little bit challenging, but in the end it was all worth the stress. the effort and the time we put in it to kind of fix everything. And as you can see, my husband is going back and forth looking at the picture from the website, from the AliExpress site, just to make sure he doesn't make mistake, even though he made mistake several times before he could actually got it right. Yay! So finally we are almost done. Okay, we are done. In fact, like, we are literally done. Guys, look at my living room. I know some of you might not like how it looks, but personally to me it looks so perfect now than how it looks before. Look at, if you come to this house and sit in this living room, won't you feel at home? Tell yourself the truth. Won't you feel at home? Look at that table, guys. And this flower right there, it used to be in my room. I'm sure most of you must have also seen it in my room as well. So I went and brought it here since it's not doing any job in that room. I went and brought it and placed it on this table. And yeah, look at, just tell me you are not loving the outcome now. Like, it looks way better than how it was looking before. Seriously guys, I love the end result, even though we are not completely done, because I think I need to be changing that curtain right there. Let me guys know, what color do you think will fit this living room? Like, what color of curtain do you think will fit this living room, how it looks now? I want to see your comments down below. Please, I need your suggestions as I'm still learning. Okay, I'm not a decorator. I'm not I'm not perfect in decorations and organizations, but the little I know, I go with it. So here is the rug we took out from the living room. I placed it in my kids' room, and as you can see, it looks so beautiful, right? Or isn't it? So the reading mat that used to be here has no position in this house for now. We are going to be taking it down to our garage. Maybe we can use it in the future, I don't know, but for now, this is how this room is looking like. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video.